Hello friends, it's finally time for us to take a closer look at the Bergtagen 38. Just as the rest of the Bergtagen range, this bag is also designed for the life above the tree line. Before we dig into the features, I just want to mention a few things about the material. It's a new material from Fjällräven, it's called bergshell. It's waterproof and it's very hard wearing. It's also made from recycled nylon. Alright, let's dig into the features. Starting from the top, we have the lid. It comes with one pocket on the outside and one pocket on the inside where you also find the keyring holder. The lid is detachable, so if you're pushing for a summit trek, you're able to take it off if you don't need it anymore. Alright, with the top lid off, let's continue to the front of the pack. On the top here you have one strap to hold your gear and to compress the bag. Small details, but yet so important when you really need them. There is reflective cordage on both these two here, on the sides and on the front here as well, on all these small little toggles here. These are reflected strings, so you're able to see them if you're walking on the road in darkness, which happens to me a lot. Continuing down on the front of the bag, you have a lot of loops to attach your gear, but there is also room for your ice axe. You can connect it here and here, or if you have a snow shovel or anything like that on your pack, you're good to go with that as well. Even the straps for your ice axe comes off. It's put in there with Velcro. You can just quickly tear it out like that, and then you can move it around or just take it off completely if you don't need it. On the sides here you can connect your skis or your poles if you need to. Same look on the other side as well. The bottom is a little bit thicker than the sides and the top. Obviously you want to be able to have a little bit more wear and tear on the bottom when you put the bag down. Moving to the front lower part of the bag, you have the hip belt. You have a bigger loop here if you just want to put your axe quickly down there. You just want to have something to hold on to or attach your gloves or strings or whatever. You can do that on this side here. Here you have a mesh pocket, roomy for your trail mix or a snack or anything like that. You just want to quickly have access to on the go. You can get that there. Another really cool thing about this hip belt is that it's also detachable. On the shoulder straps you have the normal chest strap as well with your emergency whistle if you need that. Below here you have the wooden frame, which, guess what, it's also detachable. With the wood frames out of the way, we've been able to minimize the bag down to the bare essentials that you will need for your summit trek. This is as light as this pack will go. Looking on the inside of the bag, there's a smaller pocket for your essentials. There's also a bigger pocket for your water and hydration system. Alright guys, this has been a short overview of the Bergtagen 38 liter bag. I really like the versatility of this bag and that you're able to really build it just specifically for your needs. The material is one of the best features as well. The fact that it's waterproof is just so good for us, especially here in Scandinavia, as I mentioned before. One of the most important things is that it's made from recycled nylon, and I really appreciate and like that feature. Not a lot of brands think about that, and I really appreciate that Fjällräven consider that and take that into their DNA. Really important thing for generations to come. You can follow me here, subscribe if you haven't already. We're also on Instagram, Facebook. You can follow us there as well if you'd like. If you have any questions or anything you wonder about, just let me know down below. I'll answer it as soon as I can, or on Facebook or Instagram as well, and I'll answer it there too. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you for your support. It means the world to me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.